goes our snow again. Rained again. Well, we got another rainy day adventure, I guess. It's gonna happen today. We're just driving again. I get to vlog this. Anyway, we're gonna go get an energy drink and then see where we end up. Yeah, I wonder where we're ending up today, guys. We'll go check out the Breton Lakes. A little drive like that. Breton Lakes Drive. Rainy day adventures, right? There's not much to do. Couldn't get for a hike today because, well, the rain was too much. And there was really no sunrise either this morning. Too much cloud coverage, so. And I'm feeling a lot better now, though. I'm feeling a lot better now. Now it's turning to snow. What's going on here? Now it's like a mixture of snow, rain. It's supposed to get cold later too. It's supposed to be minus 19, so we'll see. We'll see. Rainy day adventures. Character, right? Gives a character. That's what it's supposed to say. Let's go. Oh, lonely highway. Lonely old highway. A bit wet. Definitely gonna get slippery though because temperature's dropping 0 degrees. Up with an ice storm, so stay tuned for that. You never know. Never really know. And we're supposed to get some snow come Wednesday night into Thursday, so stay tuned for that vlog. Because, yeah, we'll try to get out in it if it's not too bad. It's not too bad. I'll be driving for that one, though. Or will I? We'll see. The four-wheel drive doesn't work 100% like it should anymore. Never really did, to be honest, since we got this Jeep. I don't know, for anybody that's out there, if you're in the market for an SUV, do not get a Jeep. I'm just saying. Might get some haters in the comments, but don't get a Cherokee anyway. Just stay away from the Cherokees. Terrible. And I do like it. I like the Jeep, but I don't like the maintenance on it. That's not very nice. So far, we're on like our second or third rear end. God knows how many transfer cases have been in this. It's not working right now. No, it's definitely not working right. Definitely not working right. No, not ball joints. We had a bunch of wheel bearings. Keeps going through wheel bearings every couple months. So that's crazy. But anyway, you guys, enough babbling on. Let's get back to the drive here. Let's get back to the drive. Oh my God. One coming that way, one coming this way. I never know the way people drive around here. Yeah, we made it. It's turning into a bit of a winter wonderland now. When we started this drive, it was raining though. It was snowing. I mean, that's Cape Breton weather right there for you though. Snow squall that came in the second we decided to go for a drive. That's okay, we're still out here, we're still getting it. Still getting the shots. Come on, Door Lakes, you guys. You can't really tell what it is. along to the page, you're going to see this summer. We're going to be here a lot at picnics. And take the kids there and that. They like to play. Big fields there. They can run. And then you can swim there. There's a beach right beside there as well. So that's awesome, guys. So that's what we want to do a lot this summer. Camping. A lot of camping, beaches, picnics. Just a lot of outdoor activities all summer. That's what we're going to do, guys. So follow along. If you're not already following along, subscribe to the channel now. You might as well hit that like button as well, because that helps us out a little bit too. And yeah, we'll see you in the next scene. Hey random fam, take a moment today to tell people you love just how much they mean to you. Whether it's your mom, dad, partner, sibling, best friend, or anyone who holds a special place in your heart, don't let the opportunity slip away. Life moves so fast, and we often forget that the simple words "I love you" can mean the world to someone. Let's choose love over hate. A small act of love, a phone call, a hug, a text. Don't wait for the perfect moment. That moment is now. Spread the love, tell them you care, make sure they know how deeply they are appreciated. Life is better when it's filled with love. So let's start right here, right now. Beautiful Manor Lakes. This is a really nice spot out here. A lot different in the winter time though. Wait till you guys see all this in the summertime. It's beautiful. There's something a little different about it in the summertime when the trees are full and all the grass is green. Birds are chirping, you know. There's our wildlife for the day. They wait to cross the road, eh? There's even a duck crossing sign. Oh, that's funny. That's cool. The old ice cream caboose. I don't know if any of my viewers there remember that being opened years ago. I remember being a kid going there and getting ice cream. But it hasn't been open for years now. Look at the snow coming down now, guys. Check this out. Escape from over there. Gorgeous scenery though, even in the winter time, guys. I really can't wait till the summertime to get all these shots in the summer. All the places we were last summer, we didn't vlog any of it. You guys just wait, you're in for a treat this summer. I'll bring you along. I'll bring you along on all our adventures. Because if nothing else, we tend to get on a lot of adventures. Yeah, and I'm going to vlog it this time, so it'll be really interesting. Alright guys, let's see where we go. Let's see where we end up here. Bit of an intersection here now. Oh, Zippy's going. Oh, smash car on that one. Small city we're in here, people see a vlog and they're like, what's the old? They don't even understand. This little town. There you go, there's a truck for you. Real man's truck there in Santa Cruz. Or are you a real man and want a Ford F-150? Yeah, Canada's most reliable F-150. Anyway, guys, don't mind that. Let's go. Tell you guys, there's no crashing waves down here today. Pretty calm. The ocean's calm today. Look at the snow though, that's kind of beautiful. The sound of the ocean too. What do we got up there? Seagull? Yeah, we have a seagull there. And of course, some ducks. First steps. Get the phone paired. big city in North Sydney.
Yeah.
It's only going to be a short vlog today again, just because the weather wasn't, the weather really wasn't so great today. So I never really got out for a hike or a beach walk or anything. I'm feeling better now though. So weather permitting, tomorrow I'll try to get out for a beach walk or a hike or something for you tomorrow. I'll try to get out at least, and we'll see if we can see some crashing waves or something tomorrow. And like I said, tomorrow night there's supposed to be a snowstorm too. So, or Wednesday night for you guys, Wednesday night. Thursday anyway, so hopefully on Thursday or Friday the vlog will have a nice snowstorm vlog for you guys, so that'll be cool. That'll be interesting. But yeah, let's continue on our drive here, see what we can see. Really not too much going on. Be quiet around town tonight. Big church up here.
It's huge. It's huge. They're victory, look. Victory. Apparently. Yeah, it looks like the ferry's backed up.
I want to go check out my, there's one little spot here that I know of before we go home. Just a random little mission down there. There's a beautiful little spot down here if we make it. Yeah. Well, you gotta hang on, see if we make it. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. It's frozen back there. Here we go, you guys. Never know what we're gonna do, where we're gonna go, what we're gonna come to. You can hear it cracking. I don't know how deep that is. Oh, these puddles aren't so crazy. They're not deep. We're making it. Safety first, guys. Safety first. Frozen again. We're falling through that one. Grip too, that's surprised. We're definitely the first tire track. Just like for the vehicle.
Yeah, definitely.
We came down here and seen the Northern Lights one night. It was beautiful. There's no light around us at all. Swamps on both sides of us. This ain't where I parked my car. Subscribe to the channel for more crazy adventures like this, you guys, because you just never know where we're going to end up. I was about to head home, shut the vlog off for the evening, but no, we're going. Woo! You literally go right there, and that's the shoreline right there. That's a washout. See, that's all frozen, but again, you don't know how deep that is. And there's a river washing right through there. So just for reference, you guys, so you know I'm not making this up. Check this out. Solid ice. Right to there. Looks like somebody might have tried to get through there before, but probably something you would do in the daytime. Check to see how deep that is. But yeah, essentially that's just the end right there, and then you just come to the shoreline right there, and it's a beautiful spot, you guys. But anyway, you guys are gonna have to stay tuned to see if now I gotta try to get turned around in here and see if we can get back out. So come along, follow along, and let's see if we can get out of here, you guys. Let's go! Now we can try to get out of here. trails too.
We've got a goose. We got a Canadian goose.
This trail's pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Not too bad at all. We're so close to the house. Alright guys, thanks for watching the vlog today. Hopefully we're going to see you in the next one. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!